Look, I'll be really honest. There's, when COVID first came around, and I didn't believe in COVID. I thought it was an exaggeration, but unfortunately, I've learnt the hard way. And again, I made a mistake in thinking that I, was relatively young, fit, and healthy, and that I wouldn't be impacted if I did catch COVID. Again, I was really wrong. My best advice would be to get vaccinated. To give yourself the best chance of staying healthy. My life has changed, and we're not sure if I'll ever get the health back that I once had. And the damage that COVID has, taken on my body, physically, mentally, has been something I never would have experienced, or never expected in my life. So the best thing that anyone can do in New Zealand is to get vaccinated. And while there's a bit of nervousness around, I'd much rather people had a really small needle, put in their arm, versus going through hospitals and having to see what I've seen. It's really troubling, and you don't know how your body and your immune system will respond to COVID if you do catch it. It is in the community, and the only way to protect yourself is to get vaccinated. It's quite concerning. Every day you see the hospital numbers in Auckland, and the total case numbers, and the vast majority of people who are put in hospital haven't been vaccinated. That it's a simple truth that people who get most sick from COVID haven't had their jabs. And I'm often asked if the vaccine was available before I got sick, but I've had it, and 200% I would have had the vaccines. It's the one thing that anyone can do to protect not just yourself, but your family, your community, everybody. We won't be able to go back to having normal lives until we hit 90%, and that's Māori, that's Pacific, that's everybody who is more vulnerable. Something that specialists in London and in Auckland have said to me time and time again is that they believe I got so sick from COVID because of my ethnicity. They think that Māori, Pacific Islanders, and people of other ethnic groups get COVID worse than New Zealand Europeans or other ethnicities. And so it's really important, having heard that, that we share that and try and encourage, people who are Māori and Pacific to get vaccinated, and do it soon. Don't wait. You don't know when a case will pop up in your community, your neighbourhood. So it's really important to get vaccinated and do it really soon.